One is the boy who cried wolf. Once upon a time, there was a shepherd boy. Shepherd is a person who is to look after the sheep or cattle. Once upon a time, there was a shepherd boy who used to take his flock of sheep to the hill to graze on the fresh green grass. Flock is a collective noun as we had done yesterday, and the meaning of flock is the group of animals, the group of sheep. So, sitting there, he had nothing to do the whole day. One day, an idea struck him. An idea came in his mind to overcome his boredom. He was bored by his routine as he had nothing to do. So, to overcome his boredom, he cried out, "Wolf, wolf." All the men came running with their sticks, and to their dismay means disappointment, found no wolf. The boy laughed. As he wanted to overcome his boredom, that is why this activity was for entertainment, that is why the boy laughed. Again, after a few days, he cried, "Wolf, wolf." And the villagers again came running up the hill only to find that the shepherd boy had fooled them. He laughed and laughed, seeing that he had succeeded in fooling them again. Dear students, the boy was doing this only to overcome his boredom, and he was enjoying all this activity. However, this time the villagers were very angry and they told him that the next time they would not come. Next day, when his flock of sheep were grazing, he suddenly saw a wolf. He cried out aloud, "Wolf, wolf." But alas, no one came to rescue his sheep. Rescue means to provide help. The shepherd boy returned home crying only with few of his sheep. The wolf had taken away one of his sheep and few of his sheep had fled. From that day onward, he promised never to lie again. Dear students, as he was a liar, that is why the people, they did not come to help him for the third time.